103.6 on Sunday and 109.73 yesterday. 18 is next, Gary Gibson, Tom Christie, 106.35, 106.46, Greg Lambert and Ben McBride, 101.8 on Sunday. So in hands of the boys, number 24, Hancock and Sean Parker on the side. 22, Gordon Shander, Frank Clays, 99.7 on Sunday and 103.7 on last night. Was Morton Keys and Melanie Varnier on the LCR Honda 2 good laps, 25, Craig Melvin and Stewie Christian.